I don't know what this one's talking about. We're at another outlet thing. Yeah, looking at stuff. We're going this way now. Follow her. Do you think I need to shave? Yeah, it's time to shave. For now, we're hanging at the outlet. You guys want to go? Me neither. No, let's go. Check it out. This one wants to be on camera for once. What do you know? Hey, where are you going? My co-star just left. Anyway, you guys wish. Everybody wants to see more Mary Jean. Cool. Here we are at the Phoenix Mountain Preserve. This is like real close to Phoenix, so super cool, man. And I want to say special thanks to Big Willie Bling Bling for letting me know about this Phoenix Mountain Preserve. And we're going to do something that's like supposedly a tough workout. And it's Piestewa Peak, if I said it right. Used to be called Squaw Peak, he tells me, but they changed the name for their reasons. All right, see you on the trail. Let's go. All right, just starting off on the trail. I don't have my microphone on, so we'll see how it sounds. Testing, 1, 2. See some people winding up the trail right there. That's where we're headed. Come on. Looks like it might be a crowded trail. Won't be long, they'll create a lottery like they did on the Half Dome. So on the trail heading up. Check it out there. This is just getting started. You got a cool view of the city right there, and we're heading that way. Let's do it. I don't know if it's going to be as hard as they say it is. It's only 1 mile each way. It's definitely steep, and as Phoenix says, super hot already, but it's not that bad. Come on. You guys crying? Don't be crying. Get out and hike. I just want to take this moment to say hi to Oakland in Michigan. Hi, Oakland. I hope you're liking the videos so far. We'll see you soon when you guys come to see us out here. Have fun. We're getting there. I don't know. Seems like we are, but we got a whole mile to go. Super cool though. Look at this. Just after about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you got a view like that. Come on. Pretty impressive, right? Let's do it. I'm gonna keep going to the summit. It's super hot up here already, but I want to make sure you guys get to see this too, because kind of an epic thing. It's definitely warming up here, but we're pressing on. All right, still working our way up here. It's definitely a popular trail, so you would never have a problem with getting lost up here, that's for sure. There's like 100 people up here, maybe. I don't know, there's still a bunch ahead of me right there. We're almost to the summit, and it's got a scramble up here. Gets a little thinner, a little steeper. There's some shade. That's probably why it's a good spot to take a break. But I think we're here, so nasty looking saguaro cactus. This one's tired. I think I'm gonna work it up here, the scramble up the side here like everybody else is doing. 360 from the top. So it's a little rocky up here. This is definitely the top spot. There's probably maybe 15 people up here right now, but I'll try to show you where I'm at. Super uneven though. It's good though. Cool, thanks for the help. So I'm at the summit. I left Mary Jean down there a little ways, and she's doing jumping jacks and push-ups. Just joking. She's tired out, but we'll catch her on the next one. But thanks for joining us today. Thanks to Bill for telling me about this cool hike here in Phoenix, and we'll see you on the next one. Outside with us. Yeah, I'd like to try that upstairs too. Look behind me. This is a super special brewery, and we're only going here because they have like birds and stuff. It's like a bird rescue, and it's called the Perch Brewery. It's located here in Chandler, Arizona. We're gonna try it out, and you're coming with. Stop. Check it out, that's so cool, man. There's even wild birds here. Look at this, super cool, right? I told you guys you're gonna dig that. Here, I'll see if I can get it. I don't want to freak them out or anything. Look at it. These guys are super cool. Look at that. Oh, African gray. Looks like my new game. Look at these, super cool, right? And it has all the names on there. Utah? Oh, there's Mango. Here's Carmine. Carmine is African gray. I used to have an African gray when I was new. He was super awesome too. This is Bogey.
No, it's not Bogey.
Oh, it's not Bogey?
It's somewhere.
Oh.
They have that's a new one. And then Kiki.
Super cool. When's the last time you saw this in a brewery? Super special place, right? And yes, he will bite you. Check him out. Look at the colors on this one. Isn't he super awesome? Let's see if I can get over here without scaring him. Look at that. So cool. Hi, buddy. You're a beautiful one, you are. is called 2 cents. This is West Coast IPA. We'll see what this is.
We do all the food out of the food truck over there, and then we've got a pool table over there, a full bar, and as you can see, like a lot of spaces to sit, you know. So yeah.
Does this place pretty much fill up at?
Oh yeah, there are times when I'm bartending and I can't even see the stage, like only the people's heads on the stage, you know. It's a really cool time. But yeah, so and this is I should have showed you on the way up here. This is the second rooftop. She had a different rooftop before because when we shut down for COVID, she just decided to reinvent the whole rooftop. So she did. It's about 3 times bigger than the old roof, and it used to be like probably from the staircase to about where that bar starts, and that's about it. From like here to like the second row.
Oh dang, yeah.
So it was a lot smaller.
Wow, yeah, this is huge.
Yeah, it's
absolutely.
And during like the like nice season when it's all like, I mean, we're getting hot right now, but like a couple months ago, dude, it was beautiful up here. Especially when the sunset goes down. Unfortunately, it's on that side, but it still looks amazing. You know, people come up there and look at that little hole and like they'll get all these different types of shots for it. It's really, really cool.
Awesome, awesome.
Yeah, dude, it's a fun time.
I might have to come back after tomorrow.
You should, yeah, you should. And then, yeah.
And you serve food out of the food truck there?
Yeah, just because it kind of like different. So we don't have the biggest kitchen downstairs, unfortunately. So this kind of like takes some of the heat away from them, so they don't go on like super long ticket times. So just 40-minute tickets, 30-minute tickets is just not okay, you know.
Yeah.
The bathroom up here too, you know. Like, just the view, you know? It's awesome. When this opens up, it'll be like. It'll all be wiped down, and there'll be like silverware, you know, like condiments, and then what they'll do is you'll come over here, type in your order, whatever you want, pay for it, and then they'll text you when the food's done. You just walk right back up and grab it right here. And then obviously some bathrooms too. Can't go wrong with those.
Yeah, you're gonna need that.
And there's like I know like a lot of people these days they vape or they have the little Zyn pouches. It's like a vending machine. There we go. It's a vape vending machine pretty much.
Cannabis?
Oh no, like tobacco. Because I mean, you know, a bunch of people up here when they get drunk, they want to like smoke a cigarette or hit their vape.
Oh, they can vape up here.
Oh,
okay.
Yeah. So we just don't allow smoking downstairs. Upstairs, it's full ahead, just so it doesn't affect the birds downstairs. So those are our main priority, you know.
Sure,
so those are all we care about. Obviously, the people too, not as much as the birds, but yeah. So we want to make sure that all, you know, it's a fun time, you know. It's a great thing. This place actually used to be a bird feed store, like 11 years ago. It was a bird feed store. On your way out, there's another staircase to the other side of the restaurant, and that goes upstairs to kind of like a little like, it used to be where he lived. He lived on site, the guy who ran the whole place.
Yeah.
And so what he would do is he'd, you know, take care of the birds every day, sell bird feed, come talk to people if they had any questions at all. And then when he unfortunately passed away, his son didn't want to continue the family business. And my owner owned the property, or owns still, not too sure, next door. And she saw this place go up for sale, walked over, said, keep the birds, keep everything, bought it, turned it into a restaurant, brewery, rooftop, and here we are today, about 11, 12 years later. Yeah.
Amazing.
It's a great time, honestly.
This is the most amazing microbrewery I've ever been to.
Dude, I've worked here for 4.5 years, and unless I mess up, I'm not going anywhere. This has been like a dream come true. You know, it's I have a great time. Everyone who I work with, all of our coworkers, we all hang out because we always have Mondays off. So we go do like family activities for say, you know, this Monday we just were at the lake all day, you know, cooking up, like playing on our paddle boards, and everyone here is just like, we all get along, you know. There's a couple people every now and then, but you know, you either stick around or you don't. That's just how life goes, you know.
Yeah,
we love everyone who gets here. So yeah.
Man,
the Perch.
I am impressed.
It's
never seen such a thing. I love microbrews.
I've been breeding birds for a long time. I stopped now. I used to breed in Burbank.
Okay.
And little finches and all kinds of stuff. But I've had African grays and little conures and stuff. And so Mary Jean told me about this place and was like, we got to check it out.
Yeah.
And so I'm so happy I did.
We'll even get people from out of state, and they'll be like, "Oh, our friend told us this, so we came out to Arizona for a week, and we made sure we had to come to you guys." And these people are like, "There's nothing like it in other states either, I guess, you know." So this is one of a kind type of place. Like I didn't even know this place existed until after COVID. I actually moved out of an old thing and into a new place, and it was right up the street, and I enjoy drinking. You know, who doesn't? At the time, of course, and so I would come out here and drink. And then when I met the owner's daughter, and she was like, "Hey, yeah, I'll get you a job." I started as a bar back, and 4.5 years later, I'm a server or bartender. And honestly, if they need me to do anything, I'll probably do it. So
I would too.
It's a pretty cool.
I was telling her the same thing. Like, I could work here. I would love this.
It's awesome. It's so cool. And you learn about the birds. You get to they all have their own little personalities too. Like it's like. They're almost like your coworkers as well. You know, it's a great time.
Part of the family.
Yeah, exactly. They're the parents, if anything. You know, they've been here longer than any of us. But yeah, it's a great time. It's a great time.
What time should we try to get back here tonight if we're going to go back here?
It doesn't start until 7 or 8. I'm pretty sure it's 7 on the weekdays, but I might be wrong. I usually work Wednesday and Thursday mornings downstairs just to help out, and the weekends I work whenever they need me to, at night, up here, down there, whatever. But the live band will start at 7 or 8, and then it'll go until about 10 or 11, depending on how busy we are. We are family owned, so we don't have to, like, if it's slow, we close early sometimes. If it's busy, we'll stay open later. You know, it's just kind of however the world takes us, you know, whatever we need to do. Well, yeah, that's the Perch in a nutshell. In a bird show.
Cool.
Or a bird egg or something. Yeah, there we go, yeah.
Logan, I certainly appreciate you spending the time with me.
My pleasure. I love to show people what I have and what this place has to offer. You know, like it's not mine at all, but I think of it as my own little family. So.
Ronald Reagan. Great president. We're at this place. It's a sporting goods store because I need some bike riding gloves. That's what I'm looking for. We'll see. It depends on how much they are. I spent a lot at the brewery, but man, wasn't it worth it? You guys know what I'm saying. But I'm at a place called Shields, and this is sporting goods. It's like a place you will never find anywhere else. This is the unique entrance of Shields right here. And watch all these guys are gonna check me out. Or maybe not. How you doing today?
Good, how you doing?
Sensational. Look at this. They're up there cleaning it. Isn't that cool? Never seen anything like that. How many times you got to clean it? You got to clean it like every hour or something?
Yeah, so we get into dive 3 times per week, and we usually try to do the outside as well 3 times a week. So
Very cool.
yeah, we usually focus on 1 pillar at a time. So this is today's pillar. You'll notice it's pretty covered in algae. But yeah.
Ah, that's so cool. I've never seen such a thing. Thank you.
Of course, definitely.
Told you, have you ever seen a Ferris wheel inside a sporting goods store before? I gotta do it. I don't think Mary Jean wants to. She wants to go shopping. Change the view a little bit. How exciting. This guy was just telling me in line, he just said that they're the largest sporting goods store, maybe in the world, that they're getting on right now. See that? Total indoor Ferris wheel. I don't know. Maybe you guys have seen this before, but I haven't. But it's gonna be cool. It only cost me $1. $1. So that doesn't even pay for maintenance, I'm sure. Super cool. All right, ready? I'm getting on in a minute. Awesome. Yes, please. Are you guys excited? Maybe not, but I am.
Come on in. Just place
Thank
your
you.
phone beside the coffee and wait behind the black hand.
What was that? I gotta leave my phone over here? I can't film it?
No, I know.
All right, guys, she said I can't film it, so I'll set it up right here like this. Maybe you'll see me. Okay, so I'll try to give you guys a shot of the ceiling, because it's like a glass ceiling. See that? You can kind of see it. But it's cool. There's nothing like the view from upstairs. Oh, jerky. I'm vegetarian. No, thank you.
We treat others as making memories for their lifetime. Placing our stamp, enjoying moderation to live a long life. Stop, look, listen. These are the warnings that we've been given.
We have a freaking candy store. We don't know what else we have in there. It's a full-on delicatessen of sorts, maybe. And let's see if we can find Mary Jean. She's probably over here somewhere. Shoes. You guys know me. I'm gonna always take the steps because you need that extra workout. I don't care if you hike, you take the workout.
We treat others as making memories for their lifetime. Placing our stamp, enjoying moderation to
So this is the display I was talking about.
stop, look, listen. These are the warnings that we've been given.
Oh, cool. I did find the knives. You know me. I love my collection of knives. So I'll stop for that anytime.
got like a lynx there and some skunk. There's all these animals.
Feeling like I should go out on a run. Don't know where I put my headphones on and play my favorite song and drifted off to a different space. It's a feeling I can't ignore. It comes knocking on my door and I'm ready, I'm ready. When those bad thoughts find their way, I'ma slam the door and say, I'm not here to play. I tell them not today. Oh, nah, 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 not today. Maybe tomorrow, not today. Oh, nah, 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 not today. Not today, maybe. Today I woke up, skies are looking gray and I just wanna stay.
Of course, they also have lake toys and stuff, and pet stuff. About everything you can imagine. Oh, that's what I mean. Right there.
When those bad thoughts find their way, I'ma slam the door and say, I'm not here to play. I tell them not today. Oh, nah, 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 not today.
Okay, now this is something you don't expect to see in a sporting goods store, right? Bulkin. For those of you who don't know Bulkin, it's a practice samurai sword that they make in wood so you don't cut your leg off like I almost did in Santa Clarita one day.
Maybe tomorrow, not today. Nah, 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 not today. Maybe tomorrow, not today. Nah, 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 not today. Maybe tomorrow, not today. Nah, 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 not today. Not today.
Of course, what's at a sporting goods store without some saunas?
Maybe tomorrow, not today. Maybe tomorrow, not today.
Look at this, they get these cool electric bikes. I'm gonna get this one for Mary Jean. Isn't that perfect? She's gonna dig it. And then for me, she said I'd get this one here. What do you think?
Good morning. Yeah, it's our last day here in Phoenix, and we're gonna go up north to Cottonwood and check out Sedona. So you're gonna love that. We'll show it on the next episode, but we're just gonna do one more hike while we're here, and we're at the same park we were at the other day, and we're just about to embark on the Mojave Trail. Cool, cool. This one's in the shade, so it's way easier. Oh, there she is. And she said it's cool. You guys are lucky. Oh no. I was having too much fun for a minute. Dang it. Looks like that might be the highest spot right there. Keeping it going. Ooh, it's getting warm real fast here. Now that we're on the sunny side. But it looks like we're almost at the peak here. Interesting looking cacti. Cool, looks like we're at the peak. Definitely easier than the other side, where the best pictures are taken. Pretty cool view though. Well, I guess that's it for us for Phoenix for now. We'll be back in 2 weeks for the big reggae show. That's gonna be a blast, right?
Sure.
Totally looking like it. Oh, she's got an attitude. Just joking. I always joke. I know. So anyway, but yeah, we're heading up to Sedona, Cottonwood. It's gonna get really good. We hope you like this, the videos we're making, and we'll meet up somewhere on a killer trail doing some hot springs or something like that. See you next time.
See you later.
We're so thankful that you guys are showing us so much energy and love. We appreciate it. Please share it with your friends and like and subscribe. And we'll meet you guys out on the trail somewhere.